Old homes tell great stories, but they also come with surprises. Here's what to know before you buy one. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann. Here in the Hudson Valley, our older homes are part of what makes this region so special. The architecture, the craftsmanship, the character. But owning a historic property is a little different from owning a newer one. So today I'll walk you through the hidden costs and the incredible joys that come with these one-of-a-kind homes, so you can enjoy the story without being surprised by the upkeep. The charm is real. Let's start with the good stuff. Original beams, wood floors, vintage fireplaces, these details tell stories you'll never find in new construction. Historic homes offer warmth and craftsmanship that simply can't be replicated. For many buyers, that sense of place is worth everything. Character and history create emotional value, not just financial. But upkeep costs can add up. The flip side, older systems. You may be looking at aging wiring, plumbing, or roofing. Even if everything works, maintenance often costs more because materials and expertise are specialized. Plan for a bigger maintenance budget, about 2 to 3% of the home's value per year versus 1% for newer homes. Beauty takes upkeep. Plan ahead and you'll enjoy it stress-free. Renovations can have extra rules. If the property is officially historic or in a designated district, there may be renovation restrictions. That means exterior changes, window replacements, or additions might need special approval. Before buying, check with the local preservation board or building department so you know what's allowed. Historic designations protect beauty but add bureaucracy. Energy efficiency and insurance matter. Older homes can cost more to heat, cool, and insure. Look for upgrades like insulation, storm windows, and updated mechanicals. Insurance can be higher, so get quotes early. Some carriers specialize in historic homes. A good inspection helps you know what's manageable versus what's a long-term project. Plan for slightly higher monthly costs and offset them with smart upgrades. The rewards are priceless. For all the extra effort, historic homes offer a sense of legacy. You're not just buying a property, you're becoming its next caretaker. You get to preserve a piece of Hudson Valley history, live in something truly unique, and pass that story forward. You're buying more than walls, you're buying a piece of time. If you'd like my historic home buying guide, grab it in the description below. It covers inspections, insurance, and renovation planning. And if you're exploring the Hudson Valley's historic homes, let's connect. I'll help you find one that fits your lifestyle and your budget. Subscribe for more local home insights every week.